In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find outliers in time series data using Tableau in just 5 minutes. First, launch the Tableau public app on your computer. If you're new to Tableau, downloading and installing it from the official website is a great first step. Once you have the app open, navigate to your worksheet. This is your primary workspace where all your data will be visualized. Now let's start by building our data view. Begin by dragging Order Date to the columns area. Choose the option for Month Continuous. This setting ensures that our data is represented as a continuous timeline, which is crucial for time series analysis. Next, drag the Sales field to the Rows area. This action plots your sales data against the time axis we've just created, giving you a basic time series chart. Now, let's move into some more advanced features. It's time to create a parameter. Find the Parameters section, right-click, and select Create Parameter. Name your parameter and set the data type to float. As this format accommodates a range of numbers, choose the Range option and set the minimum value to 1, the maximum to 3, and the step size to 1. This parameter will act as a control for identifying outliers within the data set. Once you've created the parameter, you need to display it on the worksheet. Click on the Parameters drop-down and select Show Parameter Control. This step makes the parameter visible, allowing you to interact with it directly on the chart. Next, you want to create a calculated field. This field will rely on the query you've designed to identify outliers. Open the calculated field, name it, enter the query, and hit OK to finalize. It's essential to craft a query tailored to highlight the data points that deviate significantly from the norm. Repeat the process to create another calculated field if needed, ensuring both are dragged to the Details pane. This move compels Tableau to handle calculations for these fields automatically during the data visualization process. Proceed to the Analytics tab. Here, drag the reference band to the table over the sum of sales. The reference band helps establish a visual range within which normal data points fall, while making it easier to spot anomalies. In the settings for your reference band, specify the band from and band to values, select none for labels, and a dotted line for the line style. This configuration ensures the outliers are displayed clearly and distinctly. Now, you need to handle the dual axis setup. Press and hold the Control key, then drag the sales field in the rows to create a duplicate. Click on the drop-down and select the dual axis option to merge these axes effectively. Synchronize one of the axes and hide the right side axis for a cleaner view, avoiding confusion with overlapping labels. Finally, navigate to the second sales field in the Marks card. Change its visualization type to circle and drag your outliers calculated field to color. This action will highlight the outliers in your dataset, color-coding them for easy identification. With these steps, you've successfully set up a dynamic view that helps you find and analyze outliers in time series data using Tableau, making your data-driven insights all the more powerful and actionable.